A turnover is a pastry made by folding dough over a filling and sealing the edges, a technique that predates the French boulangerie, appears in multiple culinary traditions across Europe, and in the American context, usually means puff pastry, a tart cherry filling, and a glaze. Today is National Cherry Turnover Day. National Cherry Turnover Day falls on August 28th to celebrate the cherry turnover, a baked pastry that sits at the intersection of the American hand pie tradition and the European fruit pastry tradition, and that has been a fixture of American bakeries and convenience stores since at least the 1950s. Every year, the day celebrates a pastry that is simultaneously a serious bakery item and a gas station impulse by existing comfortably at both ends of the quality spectrum and somehow representing both authentically. The cherry used in most commercial cherry turnovers is the Montmorency sour cherry, a variety that is tart rather than sweet, holds its color and texture through baking, and provides the sharp contrast to the pastry and glaze that sweet cherry filling cannot. Drop your pastry of choice in the comments and send this to whoever would eat the gas station version without hesitation.